Welcome to Mistagenic, where we explore the intersection of technology, finance, and the future. Today's topic is a game changer in the world of personal finance: AI financial advisors, also known as robo-advisors. They promise to manage your money better, faster, and cheaper than a human advisor. But here's the question: can you really trust technology with your financial future? Let's break it all down: what AI financial advisors do, their benefits, potential risks, and whether they're the right choice for you. Robo-advisors are digital platforms powered by artificial intelligence. They analyze your financial goals, spending habits, and risk tolerance to create and manage a personalized investment portfolio. These platforms promise to remove the guesswork and make investing accessible to everyone, especially young adults and first-time investors. They don't just offer advice, they execute strategies automatically, optimizing your investments 24/7. But is that enough? Let's explore the pros and cons. 1. Affordable for everyone. Unlike traditional advisors who often require hefty fees and minimum balances, robo-advisors are built for the masses. You can start investing with as little as a few dollars, making financial planning more inclusive. 2. Beginner-friendly. Don't know the difference between stocks and bonds? No problem. These platforms simplify the process, guiding you step by step through your financial journey. 3. Round-the-clock efficiency. AI doesn't take vacations or sleep. It's always working, rebalancing your portfolio and optimizing your investments to align with your goals. 4. Emotion-free investing. Human advisors and investors can be emotional. Fear during market dips and greed during market highs often lead to poor decisions. AI, on the other hand, relies on data and logic, ensuring disciplined investment strategies. 5. Accessibility through automation. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or planning for long-term wealth, robo-advisors make it possible to start small and grow over time. The drawbacks of AI financial advisors. First up, lack of human touch. AI is great with numbers but not with empathy. Major life events like a career change, unexpected expenses, or complex family dynamics often require personalized advice that AI simply can't provide. Next, privacy concerns. AI platforms rely on your personal financial data to make decisions. While most platforms have strong security measures, data breaches remain a risk. Are you comfortable sharing your financial life with a machine? Then, market risks still apply. AI can optimize your portfolio, but it can't predict the future. Global events, market crashes, and economic shifts can still impact your investments, no matter how advanced the technology is. And lastly, over-reliance on automation. Relying solely on technology can lead to complacency. Understanding your finances and staying involved is crucial, even if AI is doing the heavy lifting. Who should use AI financial advisors? Robo-advisors are ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a low-cost, hands-off approach to investing. They're particularly beneficial for young adults who might feel intimidated by traditional financial planning. However, if your financial needs are complex, like managing large assets, tax planning, or estate management, you might still benefit from a hybrid solution that combines AI with human expertise. The future of money management. Here's the exciting part. AI in finance is evolving rapidly. Imagine a future where robo-advisors can predict market trends with even greater accuracy, provide hyper-personalized financial plans, and integrate seamlessly with budgeting apps and other financial tools. The possibilities are endless, but for now, AI financial advisors are a powerful tool for beginners and seasoned investors alike. So, can technology really manage your money better than you? The answer depends on your goals, your comfort level with automation, and how involved you want to be in your financial journey. What do you think? Are AI financial advisors the future, or do you still trust the human touch more? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Mistagenic for more insights into technology, finance, and the future. I'm Shahrukh, and as always, stay curious.